Kiki. Oh, yeah. Guess you should know which palette I'm using today, huh? This is a palette called Kiki. Stay. I'll make you stay, homie. Yeah, this one was coming out too. Darn it. Gosh darn it.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the look that I posted the other day on Instagram. I will pop it here somewhere so you guys see what I'm talking about. If you want to know how I did it, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to be using this Morphe Social Butterfly palette, and that's what that looks like. So to start off with, I'm gonna go in with the shade hashtag ad, which is this brown shade right there. I'm gonna use this brush here. You guys can see that, and go in with that shade. And let me actually pull you guys in closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. And if you guys want to see how I did the face, it'll be the previous video. I'll link it down below or here somewhere so you guys can go check that one out. I'm gonna go in and go into the crease with this one. I'm going in super light-handed with that color because I don't want it to be too pigmented. I do want it to show on the lid, but I don't want it to be too pigmented. I'm gonna go in with the shade hashtag Latergram, which is that orangey shade right there, right next to that, and just a fluffier brush, and gonna blend the edges of that color we just placed down, just really lightly. Okay, and then with a more precise brush, I'm gonna go into the shade hashtag Makeover, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to place that on the outer V and a little bit on the crease. So on the outer V, I'm placing it just to the center of the lid. I'm not bringing it in too much, but just to the center, and then also putting it on the crease, just a little bit lower than the crease actually. And also taking it very lightly. Gonna grab a little bit more. And then we're just gonna leave it like that. Gonna go in with that brown shade, the hashtag ad one, and gonna blend that color a little bit. Gonna go back in with the shade Makeover and just place that on the outer V here. And then just with my finger, I'm gonna go in with this shade hashtag Instafamous, which is that shade right there, and I'm gonna place it on the rest of the lid. I'm gonna go in with that more precise brush again and into the shade hashtag Makeover, and just meet it up where I put that shimmery shade on, so it blends in together. Gonna go in with that brown shade again and blend that out here on the outer corner. And now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with this NYX Slide On Glide On Stay On, and definitely a turn on waterproof eyeliner. This is in the shade Sunrise Blue. Focus, there we go. And just go in with the waterline with that. I'm also going to drag it out of that waterline just a little. And then with an ankle brush, I'm going to go in with the shade hashtag Famegame, just that shade right there, and go underneath of that and smoke it out. And to further smoke that lower lash line out, I'm gonna go in with the shade hashtag Makeover, the one that we used on our outer corner, and put that underneath the blue. And then for my lashes, I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Voluminous in Carbon Black and just coat my lashes with a While I let the mascara dry, I'm gonna go in with these AZEREDO Cosmetics lashes. And these are the ones that I talked about on my video where I showed you guys all the products that I've got and all my Christmas stuff. You could use my code for 10% off, which is Leslie A10 when you check out to get 10% off your order. This is in the style So Me. These are a little more wispy. They're not too dramatic, so they'll be easier to apply because the lash line is really small. If you guys see, that lash line is not thick at all, so it'll be easier to apply than the other lashes. So if you're a beginner or just want something more wispy, these would be the lashes for you. I'm just gonna coat those with my Duo lash adhesive and let them dry for a little bit before I place them on my eye, just so that they get tacky. I will link the website down below, also with the discount code if you guys want to use it. Okay, I'm just gonna use these little tweezer looking things to apply the lashes. I just like to squeeze them in with my lashes so it looks like it's more of a natural look and they get closer to your lash line that way. So if that ever happens to you where the lash glue has dried out here, like you guys can see on this part here, it dried out, just take it completely out because this one was just falling off. Let me coat them again and then I'll place them. Make sure that they're tacky this time. And that's why you don't want to let your glue dry out too much, because then if you wait too long, that's what happens. And now you know. Lesson learned. So after doing that, I'm gonna let it dry just for a little bit longer. Okay, after I had let them sit and let them dry for a little bit, I'm gonna go in with that angled brush again that we used. I'm gonna grab a little bit of the black color on that palette. It's the shade #Offcamera, which is that black right there. And to cover up those lashes a little bit, I'm gonna go in with that and create a line there just to hide the lashes a little bit. Okay, and the final step to this look is just the lips. So I'm gonna be going in with my ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip. This is in the shade Hutch. It's this pretty, I don't know, like purpley, burgundy, pink color. It's really pretty. To set everything in place, I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in my next one. Toodles!
Toodles, Toodles, yeah! We are done. That is a cut.